Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay, coming to you from my office, not from the floor of the CBOE in the VIX pit where I'd rather be. However, I get to do this hit giving my slippers, so I got that going for me, which is nice. Now, the VIX, for its part, set a record this morning. The settlement for March, record high 69.76. Previous record was all the way back in October of 67.50, October 2008, 67.50. So we set a new record. Of course, we're seeing unprecedented levels in volatility. We're seeing the market the last 7 days having massive swings, at least a 4% close the last 7 days, and the average true range is just phenomenal. We're seeing, I think for its part, though, has kind of settled in from this 70 to 80 range. Maybe some options premium sellers in the SPX or traders, market makers, what have you, are thinking how much higher can it realistically get? That's anybody's guess. We'll be watching all of that. Now, we're still waiting for the other shoe to drop, the data, of course. How bad is the GDP going to be? How high is unemployment going to go? We're watching all of that. But what I'll be watching for in terms of volatility settling down, first of all, beyond the bond market, which has seen tremendous volatility, the bond market, the 10-year yield going from 60 basis points to 120 basis points in 3 trading days is unheard of. So that's tremendous move in the bond market. So that's obviously caused a lot of carnage in the equity market. So that's something, if that can settle down, the equity markets can settle down. But beyond that, once the equity markets start trading at a lower correlation, what I mean by that, there are some stocks that are going to be doing well in this environment, maybe Amazon, delivery stocks, consumer staples, non-discretionary names, high dividend paying names, companies with good balance sheets. That's a mouthful. Once those stocks start performing better than the market, people start stock picking again, correlations going lower, then also we'll start to see the VIX subside and the market can recover. Maybe there's still more room to the downside, and we might even see the VIX go down with the market going down because, again, we're starting for a very high level. That's what I'll be watching for this to stabilize. We might not be the end, and this might be months or years in the making for the market to really recover. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.